Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'll be showing you how to draw a borderline and a title block. So now the thickness of this borderline will be taken as 10 millimeter. So we'll mark 10 here. So we have drawn our borderline. Now we draw the title block. The dimensions for the title block will be taken as 180 by 30 millimeter. So let's use this one to measure it. So now here will be 180. The whole of it is 180. 180 by 30. Then let me just go ahead. Then from this 30, you divide into 3. That's 10, 10, 10. Then this 2, you also divide into 2 again. 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 5, 5, 5, 5. But here we leave it at 10. The first one. Here also, we divide it. Here is 25, 25. Then 15, 15. So that here will be 80 and here will be 100. And we draw a straight line here. So here will be 100, here will be 80. Now, here we also measure 15, 15 here. 15, 15. So we'll go up here. Here is 15, 15. Then here is 25, 25. Here also is 15, 15. So you thicken these lines so as to bring out the borderline. Then we will draw the internal lines now. So when you are drawing, make sure to hold this edge, hold it against the drawing board so as to draw parallel lines, because if you not hold it against, your lines will be moving downward and upward. So make sure you're holding it. I'm always holding it when I'm drawing. So make sure you hold it. So the internal lines I'm drawing are thin lines. I'm not going to thicken them. It's only the outside lines that you thicken them. So this internal lines is like 1 millimeter, but you can draw it just using your eye measurement. So here is the title block. Here you can write your reg number. If you are a student, you can write your reg number here. Here is the title. So here is the title. Here is the name, the date, and the signature. Here is drawn by, checked by, approved by. Here is the department, the level, the seat number, if you have a seat number, or if you have been given a seat number, and the scale of your drawing. So this is actually for undergraduate students that actually do engineering drawing. So this is the title block, 180 by 30. Let me write the dimensions. So here is the title block and all its dimensions. So that's it. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.